See if we're all in frame. Very nice. Let's go. I like this front screen. See y'all in Krabi. Welcome back. Where are we going today? Get some food, get some Red Bulls. If they had bangs, we get bangs, but ain't no bangs. I don't think I've ever seen this many perfect shells. On this little beach right here. Oh, right in Krabi, Aonang. Do some underwater testing with this DJI. Hype for that. Good. I'm pretty sure that there's jellyfish in the water because I feel like I just got stung twice. No, yeah, I definitely got stung when I was swimming. Damn, I like how the I like how the screen on the lens on this doesn't get like stuck to it. Stay hydrated out here, boys and girls. Literally gonna say the same thing. But I was hydrating myself.
Wait, pick up the trash. Trash is around the world. Finding it out here in Thailand, found some out in Oman, not hard to find, all over. Pick it up. Do your part.
Speaking of motherfucking earth.
Look at all these plastic bags. Turtles think they're jellyfish.
Get some street food.
Got the chicken, cashew nut.
How's yours? I got the fried chicken with garlic. It's a bit spicy, and I have to rate this one definitely a little bit lower. Definitely had better. Food testing has seen better days. Damn, we just pulled up to this place, and the first thing Chad spots a pupper. Oh yeah, it's definitely good. Dude, look at the spikes on that thing. My name's Jack. Damn, I've never actually seen a pufferfish in the ocean. Damn. Oh! Whoa. Grab one.
Grab it.
I dare you to grab it. Alright, well, we just definitely crashed this thing. Definitely don't try and take a U-turn on a hill with two people on one. It's not the easiest, but we're all good. Oof. We are so burned. God damn. Nice.
What the fuck was that?
It's like a... Yeah, look at that. My arms are so dark. Look at that. Bro, that's so bad.
And this arm, and then look at this leg.
Look, look, look. It's like we have black arms and then white body.
I just got it all over.
Yeah, you got your back. Yeah.
Also, Adam just touched the bike. And
Wait, where?
Here.
Oh, little straight.
Yeah, that big scratch right there. You have this.
You got a
And
few.
my hands.
No, that technically wasn't it.
Yeah, that was
there on the plane. I remember looking at it.
No.
Try and blame it on me.
Bitch, it was.
Nah, she's just blaming every scratch on her. It was a soft fall.